Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Volvo V40 oil level. First, park your car on a flat, level surface to get an accurate reading. Make sure the engine is warm, but allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes after turning it off. This gives the oil time to drain back into the oil pan. Now, open the hood and locate the bright yellow or orange dipstick handle, usually near the front of the engine. Once you've found the dipstick, pull it out completely. Use a clean cloth or paper towel to wipe off all the oil from the end of the dipstick. This ensures you get a fresh, accurate reading. Now, reinsert the dipstick all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Wait a moment, then pull it out one more time to observe the oil level. Look closely at the dipstick. You'll see two marks, typically labeled MIN and MAX, or sometimes just two small holes. The oil level should ideally fall between these two marks. If it's below the MIN mark, you'll need to add some oil. Add a small amount, about 1/4 of a liter at a time, and recheck. Be careful not to overfill, as this can cause engine problems. When adding oil, always refer to your Volvo V40 owner's manual for the correct oil type and viscosity. Pour the oil slowly through the oil filler cap, checking the dipstick frequently until the level is correct. Regular oil checks are crucial for engine longevity. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping your car and your life running smoothly is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.